still down there?
Amazing how they came in and just stayed down.
Oh, what?
I think it's amazing.
Decent one there.
Better?
No. Pretty small. Might be a little.
Oh, there's one over in this other hole. There's one down there too. Oh, he's thick, isn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's one over here. There's one down here. There's a bunch of them down here.
Mm-hmm.
Three of them stacked up right here. Another one?
Little guy. Real little guy.
I just had one. Little guy. That's a little guy. That's a nice keeper. If you had a tuned up rod, you'd be able to feel whether there's a big guy or a little guy.
No. No. He wasn't ready. He wasn't ready.
That one's taking some drag, huh? Or you got ice? Oh, yeah. It's a little thicker. I might have to go to Maggie's. Yeah, that's a nice perch. Yep. Maggie's? Nope, I'm going back to my minnow because I think my fish are going to be hitting on me. Yeah, ask Brady that right now. He's got another one. Keeper in there.
Fat little guys, aren't they?